This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jillian Didier. Looking for a place outside of town? This 2-bedroom/2-bath unit, boasting over 1,200 square feet. In the small, charming town of Waldo with benefits of living in Alachua County. This unit underwent several renovations in 2022 and is ready for a new tenant. It showcases a spacious living area with tons of natural light, vinyl and tile throughout, fresh paint, inside and out, eat-in kitchen with new stainless steel range and microwave, wood cabinets, and a pantry. The primary bedroom is located off the back of the home and features a brand new bathroom, walk-in closet, and flex space, perfect for a home office. The second bedroom is off the kitchen and features its own bathroom and walk-in closet. There is a laundry closet in the hallway with a new washer/dryer. Relax on the front porch with your morning coffee or a cold beverage after a long day. Prime location with easy driving to Gainesville, 20 minutes, and Jacksonville, 1 hour. Yard care is included in the rent. This won't last long. Schedule a showing today. $60 application fee per person over the age of 18. $60 guarantor fee, if applicable. $250 leasing fee, due at time of lease signing. $200 non-refundable pet fee, per pet, per year, breed restrictions apply. For more information, review the details below.